Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I make it a fix-it vlog. That's kind of want to be a update vlog. So I'm not going into detail about how to fix stuff. I'm just showing you what I've been working on. So here I have the roof liner. I took it out of the car so it can be cleaned better. And I went ahead and took out the BAH wiring harness that goes for the trunk and goes through that rubber garment that I think I showed a few videos, well, way back ago. And what Mr. Germany did, that they fucked up these wires. So I will go ahead and resolder these, re-insulate them, and add dielectric grease, so they are 100% waterproof, or at least 90%. Okay, next thing that I'm going to do today is glue this lock into the mechanism, because where's my key? Let's see. And now I'm holding these two together and this thing is closed. Say it's closed. Okay, holding these two together and you're turning. God damn it. Whatever. So this thing turns with the whole mechanism, and that's not advantageous. So these two should be together. Okay, next thing would be I broke this piece and I want to glue it so it looks tiny bit nicer until I find a replacement or something. God damn. So yeah, besides that, I bought a new dash cam and I'm installing a dash cam for the rear of the car. And what else am I doing today? Well, hopefully this is all. I will see you back down near the car. Well then, now I'm here with the car. Just as I said, I removed the wiring harness for the trunk, and I'm really thinking about repainting the trunk because I have that rust spot, and it's also rusting under the handle thingy, you know, that chrome piece. And besides that, now what I want to do is to redo the wiring for the interior lights, and next to that I want to put a USB cable for my rear camera. So this is what I accomplished so far. Did take out my old I did modify the cigarette charger thingy into a box thingy that I can hardwire easily, and I broke apart the charger that they give me with the new camera. I'm going to encapsulate this one also and make it look something like that, and it's going to go next to this. You might be wondering why I'm not using the second USB port on this one, because I'm afraid it won't be able to dissipate all the heat and it will burn down and the cameras will go out just randomly. So yeah. Okay, moving on. Wires. I did use a lot of these clip thingies. This is how I did the wiring over here. This is the new front camera. Wiring nicely going that way, here, there. Fortunately, I'm not sure if will this work with the GPS mount or will I need to pull more wire. And wiring here. I also put the rear washer thingy tube next to those. These are my sunroof drains, and I used these also as supports because they look pretty nice like that. And here I have the wiring for the rear light that's dangling, that will go basically on the roof liner when I put that one back. And I have the USB cable and washer fluid thingy there somewhere. I'm going to go to the back and show you what I've done over there. So for this door, it's basically more or less just the frame and the glass. So I did install the camera over here. Looking for the rear, I will need to adjust it after. USB cable comes this way, and I hooked it up over here just temporarily, because I will need to hook them all up when the rest of the cables will be here. And the washer thingy pose is just dangling for now. So if everything is correct, I will be able to put back the headliner and these plastics. By the way, god damn it, so I did wipe all these plastics down and I washed them, but they're dirty one way or another, so but I did wash them. Well, what can I say? This wiring is a pain in the ass. Can't really solder it because it's that corroded. Yeah, I did my best attempt at soldering it. Didn't come out as I wanted. Now I'm waiting for my dielectric grease, because I couldn't find anywhere in this goddamn town some dielectric grease. And only after that I will put the isolation, the heat shrink thingy. Yeah, so only after that I will put the heat shrink thingy on it. So my car will take some time. On the other hand, I did manage to make the two dash cams work, and that's what I'm going to show you next. So here's the progress for today. Unfortunately, everybody's around me and stupid kids are yelling and cars are moving around, so yeah, this is the best I can do. So I have one rear dash cam installed. This is kind of position that's going to be in maybe a bit lower. Still need to figure that one out. The wiring harness is going to come through here just as the original did, and I need to find the rubber garment, and I'm going to tie somehow the USB cable to the wiring harness or something like that, so they don't flop around too much. Next thing, yeah, so about that rust spot over there, hopefully we'll get that fixed. What else? Oh yeah, I don't know what I can actually do with these things, as they look to be like one use only. And what else did I want to show you? Maybe it's on the inside. Oh yeah, the power supply. So this is what it is. Basically I made a whatever split from the power wires, and I have the two supplies one next to the other. And yeah, this thing has the case from, you know, those what are those actually called? What, wire bed? No, whatever. So that's what this is. I think I will need to tidy up these cables around here, and after that I can put this piece back. And I think I showed you everything I need to show you on the inside. There is still one more thing: how clean the sunroof is. No drips, no yuck. That's from a foam, and that broke off. So yeah, rain isn't coming in to the car through the sunroof. That's the point. That's what I want to tell. Okay. Anything else? I'm not sure. Well, I guess I need to do an outro or something like that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I can put the whole car back together, because it was disassembled for a few weeks, and I will explain more in the next video.